Hiccuping hiccups.
Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. I can't stop hiccuping. What should I do? Do you have any good ideas? When you are very tense, you sometimes hiccup. When you eat quickly, you sometimes hiccup. When you shiver, you sometimes hiccup. When you eat spicy food, you sometimes hiccup. If you want to stop hiccuping, try to hold your breath. How can I stop hiccuping?